How to find people near you on Snapchat. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can find people near you on Snapchat and watch their stories. So let's start. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up your Snapchat. Then you will go to this option right here, which is a map. It shows you your location. And after that, what you can do is you can simply zoom out and you can watch the world. We can watch stories from anywhere from the world. But if you want to find the people near you, what you do is you simply go ahead and scroll. You can find all of these different people posting their stories. These red dots are actually the stories by different people. And if I click on this red dot, then I will be able to watch their story. You can see. And this way you will be able to find different people near you and watch their stories. And if you want to check out the creator, let's go ahead and select this story and find a person. Now this is the story, and if I want to view the creator, I can simply click right here, and this is the creator ID. I can simply go ahead now and select and subscribe to this person or send them a request. And this way I can find a lot of people near me and make new friends on Snapchat. So this brings us to the end. If I were a help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.